The Psychology of Money is a book by Morgan Housel that explores the emotional and psychological factors that drive people's attitudes and behaviors around money. It discusses how our upbringing, experiences, and biases can influence our financial decisions and how we can improve our financial well-being by understanding and addressing these psychological factors. Some key points from the book include: money is a means to an end, not an end in itself. It's important to focus on what we want to achieve with our money rather than the money itself. Financial literacy is important, but it's not the only factor that determines financial success. Emotional intelligence, self-control, and decision-making skills also play a role. Our relationship with money is shaped by our experiences and the stories we tell ourselves about it. Understanding and changing these stories can help us make better financial decisions. The most successful people are often those who take calculated risks and are willing to embrace uncertainty. The fear of losing money can be more powerful than the potential for gain, which can lead to irrational decisions. It's important to have a long-term perspective and focus on the things that truly matter, rather than getting caught up in short-term thinking or the pursuit of material possessions. Conclusion. Overall, The Psychology of Money is a thought-provoking and insightful book that offers valuable insights into the psychological factors that influence our relationship with money and how we can improve our financial well-being. Links to this book are in the description. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing.